Namaste to all my yoga loving friends. Today we will do all the step of previous yogic jogging and exercise. I have told you some step of these exercise in the previous video. Quickly watch them again. It is a complete full body workout and very helpful in quick weight loss. You can also call it full body fitness program. In these steps of yogic jogging, we work out all together for the fat near waist, thigh fat, abdomen fat, hip fat and fat of the arms. In this workout, we burn more calories in less time. This is a type of high intensity interval training, HIIT. Do this workout only 10 minutes. Feel the change in your body and life. It gives us great result in a short amount of time. Now we will do the next step of this workout. Make Chaturanga Danda Asana. Keep your foot out of your hand. Do it from both sides. Begins with 5 repetitions and keep increasing the practice. Doing too much on the first day may cause pain in your thighs, but don't panic, it goes away in a few days. At least do it 20 times. Now, next step is make downward dog and kick up. This is a variation of Vasishtha Asana. At least do it 20 times. As I told you before, don't repeat too much in the beginning. Both workouts affect the fat of thighs, hands and stomach. Now next step is Vasishtha Asana variation. Do it fast from both sides. This asana helps to reduce fat around the waist and make hands stronger. At least do it 20 times. Now change. Next step, Konasana. And also kick up. 10 kicks from both sides. In beginning, only repeat one set. After that, you have to do 2 sets. 10 times both sides and repeat again. This practice gets the hips and thighs in shape. Don't force yourself, you can rest, and after rest, do it again. Now our next step is mountain climber. Everybody know it, this workout affects the fat of thighs, hands, stomach and hips. Now the next step is Spider-Man plank. Try to touch your knees with your elbows. Repeat 20 times. If you are a beginner, don't repeat too much. Now, next step is Dand. You also call it push-up. I told you before, don't repeat too much in the beginning. When you keep practice, you will be able to do it non-stop. But don't force yourself in beginning. When you do it with full confidence, you will definitely get the benefit. So friend, keep practicing. Till then,